So we're gonna open up the vlog with this guy right here. Taking a nice little piss right there at Target. Alright guys, so today you know it's gonna be fucking lit. We out here right now. We're in the IE. Been a minute. We're out here with the designated driver for today.
This is IE, you know?
There's the guy that took a piss. Hey, it's pretty deep tonight, guys. So you know it's gonna be crazy today. Oh, the piano! Hey, it's lit out here right now in the IE, guys. We're out here. That's right. So we're out here in the intersection right now with my boy. We're getting ready for shit to crack right now. As you can see, cars are pulling up. I'm trying to get hit. Yeah. Oh, he's popping out there. Oh. Alright, he's about to get nasty and personal.
Legends in there.
I like that man, dude. That shit is hard, dude. I like that. That's sick as hell. Hey, what's up, buddy? What's up? We got the 392 guys going at it. It's crazy out here today, guys. It's very crazy. I like it. I saved your life, dude. I activity. I saved your life. Oh, close car right there. Okay, now we got the CTSV, guys. It's about to get lit right now. Let's go. This the one that caught fire last time? We got the Mustang over here getting one. The CTSV went right to the crowd. We got the Mustang holding it down.
Seen that?
We got the cops pulling up, guys. Everybody's bringing it in. He said he's not a real cop. I like that. I like that.
That shit ain't no fucking real cop. Come on now.
You're the real cop. Show me the sirens.
I'm cop around here.
Show me the sirens.
Let me show you how we do it around here. Get that shit. A megaphone, man. Oh shit.
He's getting up. He's taking the cone. Oh, RIP to the cone. Oh, damn, he took the cone. Oh, he arrested the cone, guys. He arrested the cone. I never seen that in my life. RIP to the cone, which is there to provide safety to everybody, guys. And now he's doing hard time, 30 years minimum. He's gonna need F your ticket to save him. Don't worry, I got the plug.
Huh?
What do you guys like?
What do
like,
we?
How do I get him to love me?
What?
Please just tell me, because I'm in love with him.
Oh.
And he just fucking takes me back.
But give me his number. You know, I'll probably help you.
I blocked him
See, you're fucking up already.
Hey guys, word of advice from King Fresh. If you love somebody, don't block them, because if you block them, they're not gonna want you back. Come on.
I'll give you.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the KF gang movement. And like always, have safe sex, but no condoms. Oh yeah. Wait, I got another surprise for you. Give me a second.
Oh, bro.
Hey, show us the proper way to switch lanes. Oh, damn, the Mercedes is next to you. They're gonna think this was drunk. Oh, this is gonna be a close one, buddy. In front of this cop right here.
Oh, shit.
Hey, look at my boy. His penis is all the way over there. Look at all this stuff. Look at all the best he did. Look at all that, dude. What the? No, mames, you were holding it in for weeks, huh? Look, it goes all the way over here. Guys, I just stopped by right now to get some Takis, you know, because I love Takis. Oh, whoa. I like that. All right, with some subscribers. Hey, where you guys from?
Norwalk.
Norwalk?
Dominguez,
Oh, Dominguez, damn. I like that. Hey, stay up, huh? Ah, the homie was cracking, bro. What's up? It's lit right now, huh?
Yeah.
Dumb lit. I'm recording you, bro. We got this old guy right here. He's like, what the hell's going on here? We got a subscriber here. Where we at right now, bro? Where we at?
We are at Fontana, the 3rd spot.
Hey. There we go. Oh, Mr. Suspect. How you been, buddy? Alright, cops pull up, guys. Everybody's running right now. Hey, what's up? What's cracking? What's up? I'm another way. You gotta go through the pool, suspect.
Hey, what spot is it?
You gotta go through the jacuzzi. Oh, damn, the cops are coming in hot, guys. They're coming in hot. Hey. The other way. Box it in. They're gonna box it in. Go the other way.
Oh, you shot in the back with your face.
All right, cops are trying to block us in. I don't know what's going on here, but we need to leave now, guys. They came in hot. Métetela la verga. Guys, this is lit right now. We have like 30 cops in the back. We got the chopper. We managed to get away. Those tires smell like ass. Oh, hell no. Oh, that thing smells nasty. Oh, the beaver crashed, dude. Oh, the beaver's leaving. Oh, watch out. Oh, his tire. Let's see the aftermath right here. Oh, hell no.
What's going on here, man?
Oh,
What's going on?
So the hit was hard.
We good. That ain't nothing, bro.
Oh, that's right. I like that. I like that mentality. He's switching sides. That's right. Cop pulling up right here, guys. We got a cop pulling up. Yeah. We got a cop pulling up. We got another cop pulling up right now. Badass truck, by the way, guys. Mustang is having fun. He has the whole intersection to himself. Oh, we got got the cop pulling up. What's going on? Oh, he's getting off. We're legit on the freeway, guys. Shutting down the freeway.
Come on, guys.
Oh, deal. That's right. Hey. We got a bus in the back as well, guys. We're out here on the freeway, guys, as we speak. They shut down, complete the entrance, the ramp, everything. Oh, this guy looks right here, look, in the middle of everything. Look, he's right there on top. Damn, that's a badass man. Watching the show. People are trying to get out of here reverse. There's no going out of it. Once you're in here, you're stuck. As you can see all the way over there. Look, check it out. Damn. Hey, what's up, buddy? What's up? Let's crack it. Oh! They're throwing rocks at. They're throwing.
I can't see.
Spend some days